guys, how's it going? In this video I will be showing you how you can connect your Windows 98 VM to the internet using this utility right here, WinPcap. There's a link in the description below this video, and that's going to act like our network adapter for the VM, virtual network adapter. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going. Okay, first thing that you'd want to do is download it. Obviously, download the installer for WinPcap, and once you have it downloaded, you have to install it on your system. Click on it and just follow the setup. Standard, agree, leave that checked, finish, and boom, it should be installed on your computer. And just go to here, open up PCM, and first go to configure, and just go to the LAN icon and make sure that the network card is set to Novel NE2000. That's from the WinPcap software. So yeah, and then just click OK. And then we're going to go to here, configure host, and just leave it at slurp. If it defaults to this, just switch it to slurp. It just works better for the network, for the internet connection. So yeah. And now what we're going to do is we are going to start up the VM. So fire it up, and once this boots, I will meet you at the Windows 98 desktop. Okay, we're at the Windows 98 desktop. I will put this into full screen for you guys. There you go. And first, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you something. My computer. Go up to my computer, right click it, go to properties, and we're going to go into the device manager, and never mind all this crap, and go to network adapters. As you can see, there's only a dial-up adapter present. Well, that's because we haven't added the Novel NE2000 yet. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, now we're going to do that. To add the hardware, you're going to go to the Start tab and go to Settings, go to Control Panel, and we're going to go up to Add New Hardware. Okay, and this should come up. Click Next, and it will search. No, it's not on the list. If yours is not on the list, if you don't see it, just do that, check that. If it is, great. If not, go to No Devices. And yes, recommend. Now, this may take a few minutes. Okay, now once it's done, go to details to see if the Novel NE2000 was detected. Yep, right there. Yay. Click on that. Then just finish it. And be sure be sure to change this to, be sure the IRQ is set to 10 and leave the IO address range the way it is. And before this, it may prompt you to insert the Windows 98 disk into your virtual CD-ROM drive, and if it does, just insert it. If not, okay. But yeah, meet you back at the Windows 98 desktop. Okay, now once it reboots, the network adapter should show up in the device manager. So let's X out of this and go and right click on my computer. Go down to properties. I'm sorry for the blurriness. And go to device manager, and again, ignore all this crap and go to network adapters, and you should see the NE2000 compatible, and that is the network adapter. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go to network neighborhood, left click on it, right click, I'm sorry, go to properties, and you should come to here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple more properties. We are going, or protocols, I should say. Go to protocol, and we're going to go down to Microsoft, and we're going to click on this to add the IPX SPX compatible protocols, because though that was the old school networking protocols. Let's click OK, and they should show up, boom, right there, the dial-up adapter, the NE2000 compatible. And yeah, so this should be all set to go, and we can reboot the computer and reboot the VM, I should say, and see if we can access the internet. See you back at the desktop. Now for the moment of truth, we're going to go online. Go to the Internet Explorer right here, launch it, and the page cannot be displayed. Well, specific pages cannot be displayed. Sites, because they've been shut down, and well, they're not compatible with the early versions of Internet Explorer. But I am going to go to this website right here, Windows Update Restored. It's pretty cool. Boom, you're online. And what this basically is the site is maintained by a third party, and it contains a whole bunch of data dumps of lost driver software and support software. It's pretty cool. Compatibility list for specific softwares, like, it's pretty cool. And Microsoft Update, stuff like that. But yeah, you get the idea, guys. We're online, and if you have any questions, comments, please leave them. And let's go to Download Center to see. Wow, this is awesome. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them. I'm open. And be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Really appreciate it.